Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Chrome, then click the three dots to access settings. Scroll to Privacy and Security and open Site Settings quickly. Choose Cookies and Site Data, then click See All Sites for a list. Find the target site by name or domain in the list. Click the trash icon to clear cookies and storage for that site. Confirm removal when prompted to permanently clear local data. Close Settings and reload the page to verify the site data is deleted. Open History using Ctrl+H or via the three dots menu in Chrome. Type the site domain into the search box to filter entries quickly. Select one or multiple results using checkboxes to remove more than one record. Click Delete to remove selected history entries permanently from your browser. To delete bookmarks, press Ctrl+Shift+O to open Bookmark Manager immediately. Right-click the site bookmark and choose Delete to remove the saved link from Chrome. If the site installed as a PWA, click the three dots next to its app icon. Choose Uninstall and Confirm to remove the Progressive Web App from Chrome. To prevent future access, open Settings and go to Privacy and Security for controls. Select Site Settings, then pop-ups and redirects to block unwanted behavior. Use additional content settings to add the specific URL to the block list. Close and restart Chrome to ensure the PWA is removed and the site is blocked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.